credit union or a bank? Which is right for you? A credit union is a nonprofit organization which operates like a bank but is more democratic, with traditionally lower fees to help members save money. A bank is a profit-making machine. Here are the pros to a credit union. Lower interest rates across the board, from mortgages to loans to auto financing. Lower overdraft fees. They average $20 versus $39 or more from a bank. Lower ATM fees. Some credit unions even refund ATM fees charged by other banks. Fixed credit card rates. And sometimes you can even make money. If your credit card union ends up with more money than it needs, the profit is distributed among members. So on paper, credit unions sound pretty great, but for the cons, I turn to Miranda Marquis, a contributor of MainStreet.com.
One of the big cons that some people see is the locations. There are much fewer locations for credit unions than there are for banks. Some people get around them because there are credit unions that belong to co-ops, so you can use other credit unions, but sometimes those are few and far between, and it's hard to find ways to do your banking when you are out of town or if you move states. For most credit unions, when you become a member, you basically have to open what's called a share account, which is basically like a savings account. Some credit unions actually require as little as $1 to open this account. It's still your money, it's still in there. There usually aren't fees associated with membership, but there may be membership requirements.
And if you can't choose, have both.
So I think it really kind of depends on what your needs are as an individual and what you're kind of looking for. I think either bank or credit union can be useful in a number of cases.
Always determine what your banking needs are, do your homework, and compare rates.